Welcome to your demise. You slighted me in the past, and now you should pay for your transgression.
Who are you?
That is not important.
Where am I?
That does not concern you.
Why are you doing this?
If you've not figured that out yet, there's no point in telling you.
What do you want from me?
I'm glad you asked. I'd like to play a game.
Is it Monopoly?
No. I've abducted the four of you. Cameron, Cody, Calden, and Evan. I will challenge each of you with mathematical problems.
What kind of game is that?
Just let me finish, okay?
Sorry.
Thank you. Now, if you succeed, you shall be freed. But if you fail...
We'll go to jail.
What? What are you talking about?
Well, you started the rhyming, so I thought I'd continue.
Just stop talking. Like, seriously. Now, where was I? If you fail, you'll die.
Well, that's a little harsh. Hey, don't say that.
I don't care. You guys deserve it for what you did to me.
Wait, Scott, is that you?
No. I'm not Scott Peterson. I don't know who that guy is.
But you said Peterson, like you knew which Scott I was talking about.
Well, I know who he is, but I don't know him personally. But, like, I've heard he's an awesome guy, and, everyone likes him.
Scott? Oh, we know it's you. I would just take off the mask and lose the Batman buzz.
Shut up, all of you. You're all mean. Made me lose my A in math.
Is this about that project?
Yes.
Why am I here? I was in your guys' group for that.
Well, you should be friends with him then.
Wait a minute, where's JJ? He was on the group too.
He's too hard to track down. He's clever.
What are you talking about? I just played soccer with him last week.
Shut up! Escape is futile. The doors are all locked. Everything you can see outside. That's just a very sophisticated hologram.
Wait, you left me with my phone. I'm just gonna call the cops.
Aha! I thought of it. All signals to the police channels have been blocked.
Okay, I'll call Justice then.
I just told you I blocked the signal.
Not that Justice. Justice Paul. I guess I got the answering machine. I'll try again, guys. One second.
What?
JJ, Scott kidnapped Cameron, Cody, Calden, and I. He's going to kill us or something. I don't know. It's not really clear.
Wait, Scott Pearson? From math class?
Yes, so come help us.
Well, I don't know. I have work and stuff. Maybe later. Jessica.
Wait, JJ, what do you mean you have to work? Come and save us. Oh my god. No signal.
I jammed the signal too. Now, to begin.
I was the first to play Scott's game. Though never has a game been more twisted.
Cameron, in front of you is a box.
Oh, how did I not notice that?
In that box, there's an equation. An equation for you to graph. If you fail to do so in time, you will pay dearly. To your left is a candle.
Where did that come from? What's wrong with me today?
Eventually, that candle will burn through a rope.
And now there's a rope? Seriously, what's going on here?
That rope will release a series of weights, which will cause a bowling ball to roll down a track. The bowling ball will knock over an oversized domino, which tumble a tower of Jenga blocks. Hey, what are you doing? Ah, never mind. Just off the equation. Ruining my fun.
Right, to sketch the graph of x plus 5 squared minus 5, first I would draw the graph out, and I'd draw a normal parabola. Then, because plus 5, I would move it left 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because of negative 5, I'd move it down 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done.
Blast! You figured it out. Your next question will be a bit harder to stretch. You're going to want to reflect on your past.
What?
Never mind. Next question. Given the function f of x equals x to the power of 2, transform the graph of f of x to sketch the graph of g of x, where g of x equals negative 4 f of x.
Right, so since I have the function f of x equals x squared, and I know that g of x equals negative 4 f of x, see, then I can draw a normal graph again. And then this negative here means that it would be flipped over the x-axis, so now it's like this. And the 4 means it's stretched by a factor 4, so it looks more like this. There.
Correct. Your next question.
Well, what is it?
Why are you excited?
No, not really.
Well, if you could see subtitles of what I have said, you would be on the floor laughing right now. The question is, consider the function f of x equals x plus 2 to the power of 2. Have you considered it?
Yes, I have.
Next question. Graph the inverse of the previous equation, if you can remember it.
Sure. It's x plus 2 to the power of 2. So there's two ways I can do this. I can draw the original, like this. And then all I need to do is flip it over the x equals y axis, taking each point here. So this point here is 0 and negative 2, so I'd change it into negative 2 and 0 here. And then this point here, which is, that's negative 2 and 0.
You have appeased me for now. You may move on.
Next you were to play.
Evan, now it's your turn.
Okay, so what do I do?
Sketch the graph function y equals root of x plus 5, and you must sketch it with your right hand over your left eye.
Or I could not. Then what?
I'll shoot you with a gun multiple times. You'll be dead hard.
Oh, well then.
You're doing it wrong.
Sorry. Okay, all I have to do is sketch a normal radical graph. And then move it 5 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Done.
Well done. Now then, using the graph y equals h of x, sketch the graph y equals root of h of x.
Okay, so first I'll draw the axes. And now I have to find the points on the graph where y equals 0, which is -2, and where y equals 1, which is 1. And then connect them, and then just continue the graph on normal. There.
I guess you guys did learn something all those years ago.
What do you mean? I thought you weren't Scott Peterson.
Shut up. Next question. Which pocket is your phone in?
My left.
Now, check your right pocket.
What the?
You will use this calculator to solve a problem. Solve the equation root x plus 5 equals x plus 3, both algebraically and graphically.
Okay. To solve it algebraically, I'll square both sides, making it into x plus 5 equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. Which then becomes x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Or x plus 4 and x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals either -4 or -1. Now I'll check for extraneous roots. For -x, the root of -4 plus 5 is 1. And -4 plus 3 equals -1, so they're not equal. But with -1, the root of -1 plus 5 equals 2, and -1 plus 3 equals 2. So those two, that one works.
Okay, now solve it graphically.
Well, I'll just input the two sides as two separate equations into the calculator, and where those graphs intersect is the solution. So the first graph will be the root of x plus 5, and the second one will be x plus 3. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, and calculator says the answer is -1.
Very good.
After that, Cody had to solve the nefarious riddles.
It is your turn.
Why am I still here?
Just shut up right now. Check your back pocket. In it is a list of functions. Identify whether each is a polynomial function or not. Justify your answer. Why aren't you identifying?
Told me to shut up.
Just do the question.
The first one is not a polynomial, it's a radical function because its exponent is not a whole number. The second one is a polynomial function of degree 4. The third is not a polynomial, it is an absolute value function.